Hi everybody. Today I got a makeup product to try from Influenster. This is the first time they've ever sent me makeup. I've gotten a skincare product and a few other things, but I always wanted them to send me makeup and I never got it until now. This is so exciting. So they sent me the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Tint to try out. This is brand new. The only place that it's available right now is on the Shiseido website. So I pulled it up on the website, and it comes in 12 shades, but they say that each shade will cover a range of skin tones. And looking at the shades, I see that they have 2 fair, 3 light, 3 medium, 2 tan, and 2 deep tones. The shade that I have is called Tan Ume. And Tan Ume is the deeper of the 2 tan shades. Okay. An Influencer included this card that tells you a bit about the product. And it says, features active force technology that helps resist heat, oil, humidity, and motion. 24-hour hydration with a fresh skin-like finish. 12-hour all-day wear that is shine-resistant and waterproof. Yeah, shine-resistant and waterproof. That's surprising in a tint. So, of course, I'll have to test that out today. Light sheer coverage, broad spectrum SPF 20 protection, and available in 12 shades. It says, apply after skincare to even out skin tone and create a fresh, natural finish on the skin. Squeeze a small amount of product onto the hand or directly onto fingertips. Smooth evenly from the center of the face outward. Build your desired coverage level by tapping the product onto the skin. It says, tip, add Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Concealer to areas where additional coverage is needed. And to boost brightness or add warmth, use a slightly lighter or deeper shade of this sheer formula to accentuate your skin tone. Okay. I tested out a small amount on my face yesterday just to see if this was a good color match, and it was. So it comes in a tube like this. Since they suggest using your fingers, and I don't really want to use my fingers, I'm going to use this little silicone applicator that I got in a Tribe Beauty box, because it feels just like applying it with your fingers. Okay, on the side it also says that shine resistant, transfer resistant, resist sweat and humidity, waterproof, crease proof, fragrance free. All right, so to really test that, I won't use any powder on top of this, but I would like to see if it's helped by a primer. So I'll use this Hourglass primer on half of my face just to see if it makes a difference. Okay. I'll use the primer on the left side of my face. See how they... And I'll see if it'll enhance the longevity and shine proof and all that stuff that it claims, or if it'll make any difference at all. Because I really like this Hourglass primer. Okay. All right, I got the primer on. So now, time to actually try it out. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it or not, but just in case. All right. Comes in the little squeezy bit like this. I'll start with that much. Now this is a tint, so I don't really expect a lot of coverage. but I would like to see just how well it enhances my skin tone. It's very smooth. It glides on very easily. Oh. Okay, I'll need a little more than that. It is a very good match, but I can see how this shade would cover a range of skin tones because it's very lightweight, very sheer. I don't feel it on my face at all. Okay. It shows up a little bit more on the side with the primer than it does without. I'll pat a little bit on here. Okay. So patting it on does give a little bit more coverage, like they suggest. So that's good. If you have a spot you want to cover up, it will help a little bit. It doesn't completely cover, but it does add a little bit of coverage. Okay. So far I like this. I'm going to add my concealer. This time I'll use this Becca Aqualuminous Perfecting Concealer. I love this concealer. I wish Becca wasn't going out of business. They make some beautiful complexion products. Well, made, I should say, because they don't make them anymore. Skin Tint makes the concealer go on even smoother than it normally does. So even though I won't put powder all over my face, I'll powder the concealer with this Pat McGrath under eye setting powder. I love this powder. It's so lightweight and it does a great job of setting your concealer. So this is a close-up of the Skin Tint and the concealer. You can see my skin underneath, which is fine for Skin Tint. All right, so since I'm not powdering my face, I'll use cream products for the rest of my makeup look today. So I'm going to use this Fenty Matchstick in Espresso. Just add a little bit of a contour on my cheeks. It's a nice little contour. And I'll use my Merit Cream Blush in the shade Mood. That Merit was kind enough to send to me to try out. This is very nice. A nice subtle blush. All right, and continuing with the no powder theme. For eyeshadow, I'll use this Nude Sticks kit. This is their mini nude metallic berry eye kit. I really like this kit, but I don't find myself using it as much as I would like to because I usually just go for the powder eyeshadow. But it has these 3 colors. And it makes a really pretty look. I like them. I like these. Okay, let's see. But they dry very quickly, so you have to do any smoothing or blending of the color right away. But I like that they're so precise, you can put it exactly where you want it. And then smooth it out. See how that I diffused it a bit with my finger? They are very nice. And I love these colors. These are nice. These are some great fall colors. Okay. So this is the darkest color. It's called Maroon. And then this beautiful shade is called Rustic Grotto. It goes perfectly with the maroon. Put this one on my lid. The colors blend together really nicely too. It's so easy with these sticks. Okay, and then to brighten everything up, I'll use Preya. Right in the center. Okay, brows. And eyeliner. And now I'll apply these magnetic lashes. Okay. And now for lipstick. I'll be using this crayon case liquid lipstick in the shade Bear. Like the one that lives in the woods. But first I'll use this MAC Prep and Prime for your lips. Because this lipstick will color your lips and the color will stay for a long time. Even if you try to take it off. It's definitely long wearing. So now I'll go outside and film my Macy's Beauty Box unboxing. And I'll check back in with the makeup. I'll be back. Okay, it's been about 8 hours now. And I haven't touched up or powdered or anything. And I am shiny. But compared to the way I would be with any other foundation, this is amazing. Because normally after just a few hours, I have to blot or powder or whatever. 8 hours, forget about it. But this has actually held up all this time. I didn't expect that at all from a tinted moisturizer type product. I thought I would be shining into next week, but no, it actually does help with the shine a little bit. This is the side that I used primer on, and this one doesn't have primer, but I don't really see much difference. The primer side looks like it might have a little bit more coverage, but as for the shine aspect and all of that, no, not any difference that I can see. So I'm really happy that I got a chance to try this, and I will enjoy wearing it again. It's very comfortable and lightweight. I don't feel it on my face. So I want to test that it's actually transfer proof. Pretty good. I can barely see anything on there. So it doesn't transfer. That's really surprising. Wow. I picked up some oil off my forehead, but not much makeup at all. This is the lipstick right here. Okay. And it is waterproof because it was hot outside today. And I was perspiring a little bit, and it didn't change the look of the foundation at all. It didn't come off or anything. So this is really good. There's a little bit right there. I think if you hug somebody or your face touched something, it wouldn't just come off. That's amazing. It's not fading or coming off anywhere either. Thanks, Influenster. If you're thinking about trying this and you're about my complexion and you'd like to know what shades I wear in other foundations, I'll leave that in the description box. That's my review of the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Tint. Thank you for watching. Bye.